Hello, this is part 14, player character orientation. In this video I show how to adjust player orientation. I'll show the changes I made on BP player character, on the character movement. I checked ignore base rotation, and I checked use controller desired rotation. On the animation blueprint, I added the player orientation blueprint. Under content, team TPS, characters, common, animations, double click ABP, UE4 ASP, Hero TPP. I added the player orientation blueprint. I moved weapon mode to the right. It was in this position over here. I'll show where these lines connect. This line connects here. This line connects to the same place. And this line connects here. And this line connects to the same place. And then this line is here. I'll show a close-up of this area. And then I'll go over this area. Make sure this is checked and this is unchecked. Under content, team TPS, characters, player. Double click BP player character. Highlight character movement, search for rotation, check ignore base rotation, check use controller desired rotation, compile and save. I'll press play to test. I'm going to grab the rifle and I'll grab the ammo. I'm going to reload. Now I'm going to drop the gun and I'll grab the gun. And now you can see I can run backwards, but when I fire it turns around and now it's always facing towards what I'm shooting at. And if I drop it and go back into weapon none mode, I can turn around again. But when I fire, see I'm pointing this way and I fire, it always turns towards what you're firing at. So that has the correct player orientation when you're firing, to be pointing towards what you're firing at.